Hey there, random internet strangers. It's Random Crypto Guy with the worst crypto channel on YouTube. Bow, 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 chicka, bow, wow, bow, 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 chicka, bow, wow, wow. And welcome to another exciting edition of Random Crypto Guy, the worst crypto channel on YouTube. I have no idea what I'm doing here, but I just figured I'd share what I'm doing out here in crypto land. Maybe it'll help you, maybe it won't. But I got cut off on my video last week, so I wanted to go over that in a little bit more depth and detail. So let's get rid of that. And before we do that, though, let's go to the charts and see what's happening over here in Bitcoin land. It's a little convoluted here. This is just how I do my charts and what they look like. I know what's going on, but you can see that we did break through that resistance zone that I was talking about. That was this zone right here. We did break above that, and now it is become support. You can see these wicks dipping into that level. The hummingbirds soaking up that supply and slowly drifting upward. Now we're into the weekend, so there isn't a whole lot of volume, so to speak. Looks like it hit another snag up here. We had this big rejection after we had the explosion, so this became a new liquid zone. And so a lot of the players here, the weekend players, are bouncing off of these between these two support and resistance areas. You can see right here we had a nice big black candle or green candle, and even though this is green, this is a white candle, which is a down candle, and this one was red. It was a Heikeneishi red. It just turned green, so we are still in the green with 160 some odd minutes left to go for this 4-hour candle. You can see it's bouncing off of this. This is the new daily support, just formed up, and it's coincides here to this level that I talked about, which was resistance, which now has become support, and that is a good benchmark, a good springboard to bounce us through this next area and up to 7,900, almost 8,000. So we got this is weekly resistance up here at 8,000, and then we have another one right at so. If we bust through this zone, I don't expect it to happen. Maybe Monday when CMEs open up, we shall see. But it's looking like we got some pretty good liquidity and a nice springboard here. As I said, the week's been dipping in, but slowly, gradually rising up. Less and less downward pressure. But it is the weekend, so you never know. And we got a nice daily. This is a daily green candle over here. We're still in the green here, so the whole day is up. So and we still have about 2.5 more hours to go. This is the last daily green candle. So I just wanted to show you where we at on Bitcoin, and I got an alert up here to tell me when we break this next level. The charting on MT4 is unparalleled. I haven't found anything better. I haven't really tried the other Thinkorswim or what's the other one, TradingView, but I know that they do have some good indicators. I just know this platform the best, so I use my charting software here. And I've recently stopped trading. I wasn't doing too well being on the road as a truck driver. It's not feasible for me, even though I know how to. The time and the effort and the screen time that you have to put in to be a really good trader, I just don't have it. And I've been following Eric Crown's Crypto Cave for some time. I really like his stuff. I think his stuff might be has a lot of value. There's another one that I'll be looking at another day. I can't remember the guy's name off the top of my head, but his stuff really seems to be, his TA seems to be really good. I will be putting Crown's Crypto Cave in the description, because not because I'm shilling his stuff. I don't get anything for it. I like him and I like his style of trading with the boxes. So I think it's a good, if somebody's really interested in trading, I want to push them toward the avenue, and I get absolutely nothing for it. I don't even have an affiliate link for him. But I think he's really good if you want to get into the nitty gritty of trading. I'm doing more like trading / investing, which I will get to here shortly. But yeah, the other guy I've been kind of following him. I like his stuff, but he sounds like one of those QVC commercials that every once in a while he'll go and shill his product. And that's what I like about Crown, because he's a real trader and he doesn't really care if you buy his product or not. So he's just making money, and and I want to give him a shout out and hope everything's going well between him and Elsa, his wife. They have both have the Rona, the beer sickness, and I hope that things get better for him, because that really sucks. So moving on. Let's move. Not Twitter. Don't want Twitter. We want the interest rates to Celsius. Been looking at both Celsius and BlockFi. Being a United States citizen, my choices are kind of limited, and I really don't want to get caught in any exit scams. I've seen different business models of this, where they have person-to-person, P2P loans. I'd rather have something a little bit more established, and that's why I like Celsius. I've only got a little bit right now in Celsius. I got a little bit of, I think, just Cell right now. I don't know how I got it, but I got a little bit of Cell. That's their token, and what you can do is to purchase like Bitcoin and just sit on it. And instead of having, a paper wallet sitting in a safe, or having a Trezor, and it's not doing anything for you, you have interest. You can collect interest on it. And that's, for Bitcoin, you get 4.6% interest. Ethereum is 3%. Litecoin, you can read it through here. All the different, they have a lot of different ones. And like I said, I don't only have just a little bit of Cell right now. I don't have a lot of other products available, and so I haven't quite fully reviewed this one yet. But I'm liking what I see. I like it better than BlockFi. I did read a review on it. One of the things that they do is they put out their interest payments weekly, as opposed to monthly like BlockFi does. But what I've also heard is that it's not compounded. So I'm going to look a little bit deeper into that. And like I said, I'm not shilling this. The only thing is, I'm going to put a link in the description. It's an affiliate link. I'd appreciate it if my scads of followers would click that link and sign up for the Celsius. What I am in right now, though, is BlockFi. Now, this has recently changed. They now offer, with their Ethereum, is all 3.6 APY, as opposed to Tier 2 when you have greater than 250. It's all 3.6 now. I have, and what I liked about BlockFi is that I have my Bitcoin sitting in here collecting 4.9%, and what I can do is convert that Bitcoin interest into Ethereum, and that's my next target, is to collect 32 ETH to prep, and I'd like to have that before the move over to Ethereum 2.0 or Serenity or whatever they're going to call it. I still don't know. I need to do a little bit more research on that, but I'm here in July now, so hopefully that is the case. What I plan on doing is to not only collect my ETH here, that I was going to go to start an account with BlockFi and start a just a dollar cost averaging ETH in every week until I got to my 32, and hopefully have that up and running by July when they move over to proof of stake, or not to staking, and then be able to collect the interest that way, as opposed to loaning it out and then becoming a node for Ethereum. And then finally, did I put it up here? No, my session expired. So I'm not going to sign in on this, but what I've done is I've gone on to Kraken. I did have Coinbase, but I'm now investigating Kraken because Coinbase is. I'm also going to purchase Tezos, and I'm going to do that with any money that I collect from affiliate links, and maybe some extra if I can push some out after I'm done with my Ethereum. Then I'll start collecting Tezos because of the same reason. They already are proof of stake. So I have some Tezos staked on Kraken right now, just a little tiny bit, not a lot, but hope eventually I'd also want to get up to a node then, and then open my computer to run nodes for both Ethereum and Tezos, and hopefully that will be profitable, and it won't use that much electricity. I'll have to figure out how to do that. My monitors are huge, and they chew up a lot of electricity, so I got to figure out how to run my computer without running my monitors, so that I can be able to run as a node for both those. And I know I have enough computing power. Might bump up my processor a little bit from an i7 to an i9, but we'll see how it goes. We got one thing at a time, and slowly but surely, Rome wasn't built in a day. I have all the Bitcoin that I want right now. I've reached that. I've surpassed that goal. I might actually take some of that out and put it into Ethereum, so that maybe I can have these staking things happen a little bit faster, because I think both of these are due to take off, and I believe that Ethereum is leading the drive on this rally that's happening right now, because I heard news that Ethereum is going to be able to be linked into some private blockchains in China, and so that probably for some type of supply chain or money exchange, or some type of DeFi, and so that's huge to be chosen to participate in the whether you like them or hate them. China has an economy, and they're here, and they are of course the economy is kind of in the toilet right now with everything, but it's a big dogfight, and I don't know what's going to happen. I'm not gonna lie and tell you that blow sunshine up your ass and tell you that Bitcoin's going to $1 bazillion. I don't know. I just know that the more people that participate in this, and the more that we educate people, and more people we bring in, that increases the market cap, which increases the price of the individual coins. And those are the three that I'm definitely looking at, because I think if Ethereum drops the ball again, that Tezos is going to pick it up. I think that's a very strong possibility that might happen. And Tezos is already proof of stake. They are already what Ethereum is striving to be, but Ethereum has all the connections, but Tezos has the technology. So it's going to be a very interesting race between those two, and that's the way I'm looking at it right now. So I will put I got my cousin involved. We'll be talking about this. I'm going to get him on Coinbase, and eventually wherever he wants to go after that. I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. Please hit like and subscribe if you like what you see, even though this is the worst crypto channel on YouTube. Thanks for stopping by.